Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manchekar Hauls and Reviews. From the thumbnail and from the title, you all must have got a little bit of idea that today I am going to review, exactly not review, even for me also this is going to be the first impression. I am talking about the new launch from Sugar. It is their lip service tint remover. It comes in this kind of packaging. Okay, this is the basic packaging of Sugar. Okay, like each and every details are given over here. That is the main ingredients, that is ingredients, as well as the like two sides they have given lip service. The third side they have given you the manufacturing and everything. It is cruelty free product and all the detailed ingredients are given over here. This retails for 399 rupees and you get 7.5 gram in each tube, right? So this is the basic information about the product. Now the actual product comes in this kind of a black squeezy tube. Okay, on that it is written Sugar lip service tint remover, and when you just turn the tube over here, they have given you each and every detail, that is cruelty free product, lip service tint remover. They have given you the manufacturing, the expiry, each and every basic detail, 7.5 gram, where like best before and all, everything is given. Only the thing is the manufacturing and expiry is given over here on the box, and over here they have mentioned it here. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. It is given over here. It is like printed in black font only. I don't think the camera will capture. Still I will try. It is given whether my nail is there. It is given there. So it is basically very light font, but still it is readable. But if you want to throw away, you can. And over here, since it is given, you can throw away the packaging, right? It contains 7.5 grams. Over here, the lipstick which I have applied is kind of a paint, right? This is the lipstick. It is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Okay, this lipstick I have applied. The shade is 120 Artist. This is the shade. And basically, this lipstick is like Fevicol ka majboot jod hai, tootega nahi, kind of that. It won't be like, it is non-transferable, it won't budge. Like minimum 15 to 20 hours, if you want to pull up this lipstick, you can easily pull out, because this never budge. You eat, you do whatever, it doesn't go. And whenever you use waterproof makeup remover also, still it leaves a little bit of tint behind on your lips. So that is why this is the best lipstick. If you want to try out this product, this is the best lipstick. Now what we will do, we will just, like, it opens like this and it has a nozzle kind of thing. What I'll do is I'll just take a little bit and I'll show you how it looks, and then that only I'll apply. Otherwise I can directly apply this, because when you check the Sugar's website, they have not specified how you use. That is, they have just said take a little bit, just apply it on your lips properly, leave it for 2-3 seconds, and then you can remove it with the cotton pad or maybe with some cotton, right? Before doing that, I'll just read out some key features of this particular product so that you will have an idea. I've just opened the Sugar's website. Okay, it is like removes all traces of lip tint and long wear lipstick formulas effectively without causing any irritation. That is what they say. Offers an instant hydration effect on lips with its creamy non-greasy texture that melts away the existing tint to reveal moist and softened lips. Infused with natural goodness of cocoa seed butter, shea butter and sweet almond oil that moisturize, hydrate and prevent lip dryness or flaking. Right. Also boosts the great skin conditioning and anti-inflammatory properties for overall lip nourishment. Forms the perfect base for your next lipstick shade. Cruelty free, 100% vegetarian product, formulated without talc and D5. Right, that is what they have given you. The MRP, as I told you, is 399 rupees, and this is made in PRC product, if I have not mentioned. Right, now we will just take out a little bit and we will see. I'll just take out in my over here only. Let's see. The texture is this. Can you see? Okay, it is this kind of cream, white creamy texture, right? This is the texture. What I'll do is I'll just take up this, I'll just apply directly on my lips, and if at all required, I'll take more. Of course, I will require more, but let's see. I directly try to apply with this. I'm not sure. The product is, I think, very less, or maybe what. You all can see it's already started fading. We'll just give it 2-3 minutes, and then we will check whether the lipstick is coming out, because you all can see on the nozzle also, right? You all can see, if I'm not sure, over here you all can see the lipstick traces. That means it is effective. It is not irritating my lips, or it is not, I can feel I have applied something on my lips, but I cannot feel that it is something very heavy or something like that. Now we'll just wait for 2-3 minutes, and then we will take a little bit of cotton, and then we will see. I think I may have to apply more, because the quantity is not mentioned. They say take a little bit, so I have taken a little bit only. So if at all required, I'll take a little bit more. But then definitely you can see this is, I was looking out for this kind of like a lipstick remover from such a long time. I've seen one on Amazon from Maybelline, but then of course you know that product is basically not available in India, and I was not sure whether that product will be original or fake, because in Maybelline they have this kind of lipstick remover. It's kind of in shape of that lipstick. I have seen that. If possible, I'll pop up a picture over here for you all. It is I will not apply I will not give you the picture, otherwise then lot of person will say copyright or something, then I will not give you the picture. But then definitely in Maybelline they have a lipstick kind of formulation where you just have to apply directly on your lips, and you just have to remove it. So what I'll do is I'll just take up cotton. I think it is more than 2 minutes. I'll just take a little bit of cotton and I'll see. Yes, it is removing. You can see it has removed. Now I'll take a little bit more cotton. Yes. You all can see it's almost more than 98% the lipstick is gone. You can see a little bit 0.02%, and then that may be the case because I have not taken the enough quantity or whatsoever. But definitely I can say if I'll wash up my face, definitely even this tint will also go. So you all can see it's already removed the lipstick. Now what I'll do is I'll just come up after touching up with the face. I'll just come back. Yes, now you all have seen the demo and everything of this particular lip service tint remover. Now you will say, Meghna, what do you recommend? Do you recommend this product or no? Definitely I will recommend you this product, but keep the price factor in mind. It is 399 rupees and you are going to get 7.5 grams. Somehow I'm feeling compared to a lip scrub, I think there is some problem with this particular lip tint remover. I'll definitely speak to them and I'll update you in the comment section. I'll pin the comment because I think there is some quantity issue with this particular product, but definitely I'll check with the Sugar Cosmetic website, Sugar Cosmetic customer care, and I'll update you. So if you are a person who likes to apply liquid lipsticks and who doesn't want to because sometimes when you apply makeup remover and all on your lips, you don't know what exactly that particular product is going to react on your lips, how it is going to react, how it is going to be like on your lips. So when you know what you are applying, this is cruelty free 100% vegetarian product, so you know what you are applying on your lips. And definitely I will recommend you this product, but you have to use it sparingly, otherwise 399 rupees. If it is affordable for you, definitely you can go ahead. And if you are a beauty blogger, or if you are someone who is creating content and who is like applying constantly lipstick and who wants to change the lipstick constantly, for them this product is a miracle. It's a boom. Like, if you ask me, for me it is a boom, because you all know I do lip swatches a lot of, that is I have done lot of liquid lipstick as well as bullet lipstick swatches. I do with and without makeup, and I do continuous swatches. So that time for me this kind of product is a boom. Definitely, even I'll keep the price factor in mind, 399 rupees for 7.5 grams. So that point only is there. So otherwise for me this product is a yeah. Definitely you can go ahead and you can buy it. I got this product directly from Sugar's website. Even you want, you can go ahead and you can buy directly from their website. I'll give you the buying link in the description box. You can go ahead and you can check out the website, right? And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. If you have any other video request or video suggestions in your mind, definitely let me know in the comment section. Or else, if you want to DM me, I'll give you the Instagram handle also in the description box. You can definitely go ahead and you can DM me on Instagram as well. And if you want to ask me any questions related to this product or in general, definitely you can comment down in the comment section. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.